What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Veronica, but I am Hazel Beauty here on YouTube and on all of my social medias. So this is definitely a very different video for my channel. I've never done something like this, reviewing a ring light. I was contacted by this company that they wanted to send me a ring light. So this video is not sponsored, but they did send me the ring light. So I thank them very much for sending me over this amazing ring light. And I'm already spoiling how amazing it is because I am absolutely enjoying this ring light. It has so many more features than my older one that I've had for over 5 years now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the details and all of that in just a little bit. But if you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and like this video as well if you guys like these types of videos. So I definitely wanted to make this video also for people that are starting out in the social media world like vlogging, YouTube, photography, or anything like that. I think this ring light is perfect for people that are definitely starting out and are looking for something that is affordable, because I find that a lot of ring lights are pretty expensive, especially with, you know, all of these dimmers and different lightings and coverings and all that kinds of stuff. But this ring light in particular is only $109, you guys. Such a steal, especially wait until you see what else it comes with. I was shook. And on top of that, I have a code with them to save you guys some money, so I will have it right here for you guys, and I will also have the ring light directly linked down below for you guys as well. So let's go ahead and get into the goodies of what this ring light comes with. So when you receive the ring light in the box, you're going to be receiving it inside already. The actual ring light will be in here in this carrier, which is really nice. You can hold it this way and it also adjusts, and then you can also hold it this way as well. And here is the inside. Nothing crazy, but it is nicely padded to keep your ring light protected, as well as it comes with this little box here, and this is with all the extra goodies it comes with. So this is how it's going to come. It also has the wall charger in here, but of course it's not here because I'm using it right now. So it also comes with the tripod holder as well to take on the go. So we have it right here, and it adjusts as well. So this is where you put it. So it comes with a little attachment for you to put either your iPhone or cell phone and your tablet, which I thought these were so cool, you guys, because usually a ring light just comes by itself. It doesn't have anything extra and it's a lot more expensive. So the fact that this ring light comes with these two extra attachments, I think is such a great deal, as well as the carrier and all of that included. So quickly, I want to read the description of the ring light. So it is the IVISII 19-inch ring light with stand and iPad and iPhone holder, 60 watt bi-color, or for live stream, makeup, YouTube videos, TikToks, and Zoom and photography. So literally this ring light is for anything that your little heart desires, especially for you people that are working on social media and stuff like that, or photography like it said. So this ring light is bi-color like it said, and if you guys don't know what bi-color is, it's pretty much that this ring light can adjust to any type of temperature of lighting. It goes from very cool to very warm, and I'm going to show you in a little bit the different temperature settings that it does. But I think it's so cool that one ring light does all of that in one, because my old ring light, it was just to one setting and it was very neutral, which I enjoyed. But there's definitely different scenarios and different lightings that you guys are looking for, and for me, I like usually more cooler, but definitely not too cool because you don't want to look dead, you know what I mean? So I really enjoyed that this comes with those options. And I know for a lot of people, we all have different ways of filming and different lighting and different temperatures. You want something more warm and inviting, or whatever you want to do, or something more cool tone, just depending on your setting and stuff. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am using a little bit more of a warmer temperature for this video. I just want to test it out out and see how it looks. I'm looking at myself in the monitor and I definitely do look a little warmer, but nothing too crazy. But let me know down below, you guys, so if you guys like this lighting. If not, I can definitely cool it down and put it back to the way I had it, but just trying out something different. So if you guys like it, let me know or give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the different temperature lighting settings. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so now this is the warmest setting, and I don't know if you guys can tell, I definitely look a lot more orange in my opinion, but you can, as you can see, it gets really warm. And I also don't have it to the fullest brightness because it goes really bright, you guys, so I could look very burnt if I wanted to. I don't honestly know who would use this type of lighting to film, but that's just me. It all depends on everyone. Everyone is different in how they film their content, but this is definitely a little too warm for my liking. But now let me go ahead and show you the coolest setting. Alright you guys, so now I have it to the coolest setting. What do you guys think? I honestly think people really love a cool setting when it comes to filming or taking photography, in my opinion. I think it looks the most neutral and makes everything look a lot brighter. I don't have it to its full potential of brightness because I will literally blind myself, and we don't want that. But I like how it looks in the monitor. I don't look too deadly just yet. I still have some color, but yet a lot brighter. So I do really enjoy this setting as well, but I do like a little bit more warmth in my complexion. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it back to the original settings that I had it. Alright, so I set it back to the original setting at the beginning of this video, the one that I'm really enjoying right now. So let me go ahead and show you the rest of the features that this ring light comes with. So I'm filming with my phone right now just to show you guys my lighting setup really quick in my beauty room. So I have my table down here. It's pretty messy right now, so I'm not going to show you. So I have my ring light right here and it's in the center. And then I have my camera tripod, which I always have in front of my ring light. I know some people like to have it behind, but I prefer it for it to be in front of the ring light, just because it's a lot easier for me to reach, you know, if I need to focus and all of that kinds of stuff. So I have it right there, and then I have two additional umbrella lights for lighting on the side, and then I have my monitor. So yeah, that is how I have my setup going. And now let me show you the ring light settings. As you can see, we have all of these really cool options here. So you can have the option of having it battery operated or wall plugged in, and it has a little battery pack down here. So what's really cool is that, like I said, you can use this two ways. You can use this wall plugged or battery, and I think the battery option is more for people that are on the go, that are photographers or anything like that. Unfortunately, with this package, this comes excluded, so you have to buy that separately. So like I said, either way, for me, it's not really a big issue because I'm not going to take this ring light with me traveling or anything, at least anytime soon. So I think this option is definitely more for people that are on the go. It also has these two options for you, which this is to turn on the ring light, and then this is to turn it off. And then this side is when the ring light will turn on when you have it battery operated. So yeah, and then we have a USB plug-in, which is super awesome. And I will show you the features that it also comes with. So it has a dimmer as well, which is really nice, and this little button right here that you press whenever you want to lock in a certain setting of the lighting that you already have it, or change the lighting setup as well. So yeah, I really love the extra options that this ring light has compared to my old one. Very nice. It is a 19-inch ring and it is plastic, but what's really amazing, you guys, with this, it does not overheat. It doesn't get hot. You can literally touch it even if it's been on for like over an hour. I love that. With my old one, it would get really hot if I had it on for too long, and it'll also like overheat my camera because my camera would be right in front. So I really have been enjoying that. That I can, well, I mean, there really is no reason for you to be touching the ring light in the first place. You know, whenever you're filming, it makes you really warm, and it's very uncomfortable. So with this, it's definitely minimized it a lot, because I also have umbrella lights that help light from the side, and that does get a little bit warm, but I feel like with this ring light, it's definitely minimized that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Let me go ahead and turn it down, if you guys can see. So I went ahead and turned it down a bit. And as you guys can see, I have it at the setting where it is dual, like warm and cool mixed together. So I call this my neutral lighting. And this is the perfect lighting for my setup that I have really been enjoying, where it's not too warm and it's not too cool. It's right in the middle. And as you guys saw, it goes really, really bright. And then it goes really, really dim. This is the cool lighting option. This is the warm lighting setup. As you guys can see, there's less light bulbs. What I also really like is that it comes with a phone holder and an iPad holder. Well, it doesn't have to be an iPad. It could be any type of phone and any type of tablet, which I think that's even better, right? Because not everybody is an Apple user. But I have it a little bit loose because I have to switch it out. But it's very sturdy, you guys. It's really great quality. So you can swivel it whichever way you want to have it adjusted, and this is what makes this expand to make it longer. And obviously this is for it to tighten in the back. So that's where the USB plug comes into play. So whenever you want to vlog or Instagram stories or whatever you want to do with your social media, you can plug it in right here, and it'll have, you know, your device charged at the same time. That way, you know, nothing cuts off or anything. This is the iPad holder or tablet holder. And you guys can see, this is so cool. I've never seen an actual like ring light package deal come with so many goodies, and especially an iPad holder or tablet holder. That is so cool. So I really love that. And this also expands a lot taller if you have like those iPad Pros or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that as well. So this is as far as it can be extended, and I think that's so awesome. So you turn it around here, and you have this little button here, and you have to hold it in order to pull out the extension, and then it locks in place. And it has different lockings as well. So whichever size that you need it to be, it will stay in place. And I have it a little loose because I don't have it tightened, but it is very sturdy and great quality, you guys. I'm very impressed with everything. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this quick video of me reviewing this ring light that was sent to me once again. This was, like I said, this was definitely something different for my channel. I've never reviewed something other than makeup, so this was very different. Once again, I think this ring light is perfect for beginners or even anybody, honestly. A ring light is not defined by anything, but lighting is definitely important when it comes to social media, either your Instagram or your YouTube channel or photography, whatever you are going to be filming or photographing. Is that even a word? Taking photos of. Lighting is very, very important, as you guys know. So I think this is literally a great deal. I will have everything once again linked down below for you guys. So I will be posting more new content on my channel very soon, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe. And I don't have anything else to say except I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.